All right, so the sun's gone down, and I still get questions about the Galaxy A53. Is it worth getting in 2026? But most of the questions that are asked about that are primarily centered around the cameras. Are the cameras still good enough in 2026? So everything in this video is shot and recorded with the Galaxy A53. And one of the cool things I like about the cameras is that I don't have to stop the video and flip the camera around. You can flip the camera from the main camera sensor to the front camera sensor, the selfie sensor, and then back. So that's actually pretty cool. We'll go with an ultra wide range, which you can see in video recording that everything gets a little bit darker. The main camera sensor lets in more light, so you get a little bit more light out of it. And then we'll do 2x zoom. We'll do 4x zoom, and then we'll do 10x zoom, which you guys can see it gets really grainy at 10x zoom. And then back to the main camera sensor. And now for the rest of this video, I am going to snap some photos. So you guys comment, let me know how the photos and how the videos came out in this. But let's take some pictures now. Yeah, this is pretty much indoor lighting still. And if we were to have more brighter lighting, let me step into my closet here. And yeah, this kind of like what it would look like. So a lot of lens flare. Bless you. Yeah, it gets a little bit grainy as you kind of go into a little bit indoor lower lighting, basically. A little Buddha statue right there for my mom and my kiddos, and a piggy bank that my daughter made. Or 2x zoom, 4x zoom, and 10x zoom. So as you guys can see from some of those outside shots, they're not the greatest, especially when you're zooming in. Regular, just 1x, and the photos are okay. But when you start zooming in, 5x zoom, 10x zoom, when it starts to digitally crop, it's not the greatest. But the Galaxy A53 has some really fun things with it. Well, it's called fun for a damn reason. And yeah, so let's play around with the fun filters. Yeah, this is totally not me. Totally not me at all. You can get pretty crazy with these. I don't know about these, man, but these are funny. But yeah, basically what it is that it takes some Snapchat filters and allows you to use them natively within the camera app of the phone rather than downloading Snapchat and using that. I mean, you can do fun things like this, so you can get a little creative. I just kind of wish that these things was like on the Galaxy S23 Plus, because on the Galaxy S23 Plus, this is not on there. So it's kind of funny, they gave it to a mid-ranger, but they never gave it to a flagship. I'm just saying. Yeah, I don't know about this. Those probably work better in portrait, but I don't know. Anyways, you guys tell me, what do you guys think of the cameras, video recording, all that stuff? Do it in the comment section of the video. I would say with the cameras on the Galaxy A53, it gets a solid C+ if I had to give it a grade. It does good actually with good ample lighting, but low lights, not good at all.